bringing an incredible 2023 to a close with 5 of our most amazing projects from December. Keep watching.
At number 5 we have Johnnie Walker, Bard AI, your personal AI bartender that generates Johnnie Walker cocktail recipes based on your preferences.
At number 4 we have Philadelphia Recipe AI. Generate AI-powered recipes based on your inputs with the Philadelphia cream cheese as the key ingredient.
At number 3 we have Mahindra Jito Strong, an exciting game that showcases the vehicle's load capacity and advanced braking system.
At number 2 we have Coco Crunch, Coco's Fun Challenge. Collect all the cereal, unlock the character's avatar in 3D, and challenge your friends to set a high score.
At number 1 we have Emirates National Bank Dubai. The UAE sings. Join in the UAE National Day celebrations with this stunning augmented reality experience.